is you part the hair like behind your ear and up. So I'm gonna do that, and then you take it and you bring it forward. I gotta look in the actual mirror because y'all's mirror ain't helping me none. Okay. Nope, get up there. And then you put it in a ponytail up here. Like right on your face. And we're gonna put this right on your face. Right here. Okay? And then you take, look at that, see? You take the rest of that and you put it back here in a regular ponytail, I think. I don't know. I'm just annoyed at having all this extra hair and this green hair that I don't really care for anymore. So here we are. So, oh, I forgot scissors. Step one. Step one, we need scissors. I got scissors. Where I got scissors at? Here we go. Kitchen scissors, that's fine. We'll use them. We're gonna try and cut some of this nastiness off because I'm tired of it. I don't want it to be too short. I can't put it in a ponytail, so but I want to get a lot of this green off. So we're just gonna cut it right here. I am not an influencer. I have no idea what I'm doing. I watch Brad Mondo. If you're listening, Brad, don't judge me. I'm not doing a good job. I've already done a bad job. Okay. But I got a lot of hair cut off. Now, so now, what they say you gotta do, I'm trying not to make a mess. You gotta feather that out, right? So you gotta take, you don't want it so blunt like it is. So you gotta, and then you do some of these. I have no idea what I'm doing. You guys should be evident by the fact that I'm doing this right now. Alright. We'll try it with some of this too. Now I really can't see what I'm doing. I really can't see what I'm doing. I can't see nothing, y'all. No, if I'm cutting my hair, it is so ridiculous. Alright. That's all I'm doing today. So we're going to take out this bottom part and take out this top part. And now it's shorter. And I think there's some layers. We'll wash it later and we'll try. We'll see. We'll see how it goes later. But this is what I did right now. Can I still put it up? That is the question, because that's what I wanted. I can still put it up. Alright, we're good. Done. Saved me $100.